Alright, so now you suction it like this. So don't worry about the glass. Just once the glass start lifting up with the suction, you can slide a little mini blade, thin blade through it, and then you just bring it across like that, like that, like that. Okay, don't worry if the glass breaks, it's okay because you're replacing the screen, so don't worry about it. When you get over here, you put the suction cup here too, and sometimes with the glass broken, you will not get a good suction. But keep going. You could put something in between, like a credit card, or if you have another thin blade. Okay, you gotta put something to prevent it from closing back. So what I do is I get a card and I stick it in there, business card, so that way it doesn't go back there. Then I can pull it up. You wanna frost up your suction cup so it can still stick. Then you pull it up. So you pull up and then you go across like that. When you get to here, it's a little bit tricky. So you want to try to make it tight. Use your blade. The best thing to do is use that thin blade, not sharp. But I use this sharp one because it will cut some of the glue. Besides, I don't have the blade, so I'm using this blade. It's almost there. I just gotta keep going at it. The glue is the best thing to do is you could use a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat up the paste. That will loosen it up for you. I don't want to do it because I don't know. I'm gonna put my heat in the mini pan. So I'm just gonna go around and see as here as you can get this open. Keep going around. Keep going around until you can get it. I mean, if the glass breaks, it's okay because some part is gonna break. So that's what you do. You just gently just try to trace it over with the blade till it gets up. Alright, so there we go. Some of the glass is gonna break. Just can't prevent. Unless you get a hair dryer. Let me go get a hair dryer. Hang on one second. So now I use the hair dryer. Look at the hair. Heat up the adhesive. You need to heat the adhesive. Okay, like that. Am I videoing right? What am I videoing? Nothing? Oh man. Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. That was it. keep recording. So now I pull this up. Go in! So I just heat it up. Just pull this right up. You just pry it up. Suction not working. So you make sure your suction's working. Pull it. Suction not working. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I'm not. It's not perfect. Try this. Carries this spoon. You get. Remember the glass, you're gonna replace the glass, so don't worry if it breaks. You pry it out with the blade. Be careful. Don't cut yourself. Don't cut yourself. See with it, because I heated the adhesive. With the blow dryer, I think it's starting to come out now. I need that suction into it. That's my cup. You trying to steal my cup? Alright, so now this you pull up with the suction cup and then you can get some of it. Get some of the glass out. The broken glass might not be able to pick up, so you gotta go with somewhere else. You gotta have patience, take your time, and it should come up. So you gotta slice it. So I gotta just have some patience. And then change the glass. Alright, don't touch my thing. Go away. Look what you did. You still wearing it? I got the razor blade here, you can't get it. Not like you. You give him all kind of thing to play with. Not like you went there. You give him all kind of thing to play with. Naomi, send to this camera from it.
What camera?
Send to this camera here. On my hand where I'm doing.
How?
Let's hold it and see how we can set.
It's not gonna work like that.
I was doing that earlier. He just had this man was playing with it and I had to reset it.
Mama!
So
Quick! Yes!
This is my mother's mini iPad I'm working on. So the breaks, I got pieces. So no worry.
Well, your face is in the shot.
I don't want my face in shot. I want to get the screen.
I can't get it like that. Like this.
Flat. Oh yeah, turn like that. Yeah, but then the eye wouldn't show. Just stand there and video it for me.
I'm not doing that.
Come on. Whatever dollars I make, I'ma share it.
No, you're not.
There's another way to make money. You do it on Google AdSense. You can post your video, and then you can make money.
I want to help this man with this thing,
Google
please.
AdSense.
I don't want to be here.
He didn't know what he
Yeah,
did.
do it. Just slice it down like
No, he
so.
wants you to video him.
All the way down. When you get to that part, you just lift it up again and keep going like that. Can I hold the camera for me, man?
Still don't know either.
Come on, hold the camera for me.
Still don't.
Alright, you go one hand, help with the one hand. You go see where you go get nothing. The one hand you get nothing. Nothing? Nothing you get. This video I can make some dollars. If I can get a proper video. You know? You'll go on video Google AdSense. People always want to know how to fix their mini iPad. That suction is not working anymore, so what we do is... I don't know what Naomi videoing for me. Naomi, you waste time.